pen, no book. Just listen, speak and learn. Fluent speakers are not smarter, they just practice differently. In this video, we learn basic question answering conversation. So, let's get started. Hello, how are you? I'm good, thank you. And you? I'm fine, thanks. What's your name? My name is Hema. What's your? My name is Ram. Nice to meet you, Hema. Nice to meet you too, Ram. What do you do every morning? I wake up, brush my teeth, and have breakfast. How about you? I usually go for a run, then I take a shower and go to work. What do you like to do in your free time? I like reading books and watching movies. And you? I enjoy playing cricket. Can you help me, please? Yes, of course. Could you pass me the water? Here you go. Excuse me, how do I get to the post office? Go straight, then turn left at the second street. It's on your right. How old are you? I'm 25 years old. How old are you? I'm 18 years old. Where are you from? I'm from Mumbai. And you? I'm from Delhi. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have one brother and one sister. How about you? No, I am an only child. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is pink. What's your favorite color? I like green the best. What did you eat for breakfast? I had sandwich and milk for breakfast. What did you have? I just had a cup of tea. What are going to do this weekend? I am planning to visit my family. And you? I think I will stay home and relax. Do you like to travel? Yes, I love traveling. How about you? Traveling is nice, but I don't do it often. What's your job? I'm a student. What do you do? I'm a teacher. What music do you like? I like pop music. How about you? I prefer rock music. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a dog. Do you have pets? No, I don't have any pets. What time is it? It's 5 o'clock. I need to go soon then. How's the weather today? It's rainy and cold outside. I love rainy days. Can you play the guitar? Yes, I can play a little. I wish I could play an instrument. Where did you learn English? I learned English at school and by watching TV. Practicing with movies and songs helps me too. Do you prefer coffee or tea? I prefer black coffee in the morning and green tea in the evening. I am a big fan of black coffee anytime. Are you going to the party tonight? Yes, I am planning to go. Do you like cooking? Yes, I enjoy trying new recipes. Me too. Cooking can be really fun. It looks like it's going to rain today. Yes, I brought an umbrella just in case. You seems very happy today. I got some good news this morning. I heard you're moving to a new apartment. Yes, next month. It's closer to work. Moving can be exciting. Good luck with your new place. You have a lovely garden. Thank you. I spend a lot of time taking care of it. It shows gardening must be relaxing. Do you know where the nearest ATM is? Yes, it's just around the corner next to the grocery store. Thanks, I need to withdraw some money. I am thinking about learning a new language. That sounds like a great idea. Which language? I haven't decided yet, but I am learning towards Spanish. Do you take sugar in your tea? Just 1 spoon, please. Your English is improving. Thank you. I have been practicing a lot. Practice make a perfect. Keep it up. I missed the bus this morning. That's unfortunate. Did you manage to catch the next one? Yes, but it made me a little late. Being late is sometimes out of our control. Don't worry about it. The library is a very quiet today. Yes, it's a good place to study or read. I come here to read often. What's your favorite season? I love spring because of the flower. Winter is my favorite because I love snow.